All right, welcome back. We're going to do more summations, so more partial sums. Let's name this page. Okay, so more partial sums. So let's do example 52. Oop, I don't want that. Okay, 52. We're going to have negative 20, negative 13, negative 6, and find the sum of the first 20 terms. Okay, all right, so let's see what we got. First thing we have to do, we have to write the equation of the arithmetic sequence. Find the form for a sub n. Okay, so our a sub 1 here is negative 20. Our d is 7. So our a sub n, negative 20 plus 7 times n minus 1. A sub n is negative 27 plus 7n. And just for good measure, I like to just double check. If n equals 1, I get negative 20. N equals 2, I get negative 13. Checks out. Okay, so now we want to do the sum of the first 20 terms. 20. 20s. I don't know. Never mind, I'm just too much time alone. All right, so sum of the first 20 terms. So we're going to take the sum, n goes from 1 to 20, of negative 27 plus 7n. Okay, so that's going to be the sum, n goes from 1 to 20, of negative 27 plus 7 times the sum, n goes from 1 to 20, of n. Okay, so the sums, you can break them apart that way. This one plus this one. You can't do it with multiplication, but you can do it with addition and subtraction. Okay, and also this 7 can be pulled out. Okay, so negative 27 times 20 plus 7 times 20 times 21 over 2. Okay, let me get my calculator here. So this is negative 540 plus 7 times 10 times 1,470 930. Okay. All right. Awesome. Let's try another. Well, actually, we're going to do a problem with an application. So bricklaying. This is number 68. Okay, there are bricks in a driveway. And there are 50 rows of them. So there are 50 rows of bricks in a driveway. Okay, the first row has 16 bricks. The 50th row has 65 bricks. assuming that you're going to use an arithmetic sequence, how many bricks do you need? Okay, looks ridiculously too large. Okay, so assuming that it's an arithmetic sequence, how many bricks are you going to need? Let me write that 16 a little better, 65 a little better. Okay, so this means that you have a sub 1 equals 16, a sub 50 equals 65. So now let's find our D. Our D is 65 minus 16 divided by 49, which is, it's actually 1, isn't it? 65 minus 16 is 49, divided by 49 is 1. Okay, so our A sub n is actually going to be 15 plus n. Okay, just double check. A sub 1 is 16, A sub 50 is 65. Okay, so now we're going to take and we're going to sum. N goes from 1 to 50. 15 plus n. Okay, again, equals, we can take the sum, n goes from 1 to 50 of 15 plus the sum, n goes from 1 to 50 of n. 50 times 15, that's one I actually know, that's 750. Okay, plus 50 times 51 divided by 2. Okay. So that's going to give us 2,025 bricks. Okay? Awesome. All right, I'll see everybody in the 9.3 videos next.